Do you have children? Fix-It Joe Bear here. My son decided to run through one of our friends' screen doors. Just walk right through it.
He's super strong.
He drinks a lot of Kool-Aid Jammer, so he was screaming, "Ooh yeah!" and busted right through it. You see? But I'm going to show you guys an easy way to do this for free. Just take you a pizza cutter, if you have one, and wrap you some tape around it so it doesn't cut. And if you look in these, there is a rubber edging. Well, let me get that into focus for you. There's a rubber edging, and you'll have a little bit of hangover right there. Okay, there you go. A little bit of hangover. So what you do is you just take your pizza cutter and you run it along and you push it in. You see, now it's disappearing and going in that rubber slot. So you don't need to go buy yourself a new screen door. And look how easy that is. I can hold the phone and do it. So, yeah, very simple. Grab you a pizza cutter, wrap a little bit of tape around it, go all the way around where it's broken, shame a child for doing it, and go back with your day. Don't waste your money. Save yourself some money. Buy your wife some flowers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.